where the person's wig cap starts back here and so does their hairline? I don't tell you this for fun. I'm telling you to learn. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by MyQualityHair, and it is a very special day because this is another drop from the Kie RaShon MyQualityHair collaboration collection. Yo! I have been waiting over a year for this drop and it is finally here. Now, if you are not aware, I did drop a headband kinky curly unit in 2 colors around the end of 2020, and that unit did really good with MyQualityHair. But y'all know I had to come back and give you guys a lace frontal wig, and y'all, we starting off right. Okay, we starting off right. I like that. So if you want to hear about the specs for this unit as well as see what I did to this cap to alleviate breakage, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from the Kie RaShon MyQualityHair collaboration. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out down below, you definitely can. Now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the elephant in the room. This is a Yaki texture unit. Y'all know I love kinky straight. Kinky straight loves me. I do not feature Yaki all the time, and I wanted to give you guys the yak. But I also wanted to make sure that certain specifications that I asked for this unit was available for this Yaki texture. So with that being said, MyQualityHair did not do me wrong when it came to this texture. I know you can see some of the crinkles crinkles in the unit, but just be advised, this is not as crinkly as it could have been. The difference between a Yaki texture and a kinky texture is kinky is more lightweight, Yaki is heavier, and Yaki normally comes with a heavy crinkle in the actual texture. I don't like the crinkles. I don't like the crinkles unless I put them there, okay? So when it comes to the Yak, I needed to, you know, kind of silken itself out. So MyQualityHair is one of the brands that I know for sure gives you a Yaki texture with less crinkles. So I wanted to make sure they were still on the same page with me when it came to that, and y'all, they are. The Yaki is still holding my curl after, it's been about, I want to say I've been wearing this joint for about an hour now. Any natural texture that you try, whether it's kinky or Yaki, you will need to set your curls and use hairspray if you want your curls to last longer than an hour or two. Now you can get this unit in a medium brown or a transparent lace. I got the transparent lace on my unit, which you're able to blend down to your skin tone. If you have more melanin than me, then you can definitely get the medium brown and be just fine. Now this unit only comes in a small or a medium cap size. The max size for medium is 22.5. Now MyQualityHair knows that my head is 23 inches, okay? So they working on a larger cap. It's not available yet. When it is, you know I got you. But you know I'm gonna finesse some tresses, okay? So I went on and pulled this unit up a little bit in the back, not too much, and I made sure my front was where I needed her to be. It does not come all the way down to my sides, but you guys saw my install, I did cut my sides a little bit shorter just to bring out my natural sideburns to blend in with that lace, to give me a more natural look around my hairline, especially because I wear glasses. So most times I don't like putting the lace around, you know, my actual sideburns or around my ear, just because I want my glasses to lay flush against, you know, the side of my head. A lot of you guys ask me all the time, how do I wear my lace wigs with my glasses? This is how, okay? I fold that joint up, or I make sure I put the glasses over the lace and put it behind my ear, so I'm not getting no rug burn on the side of my face. We don't want that. The cap construction for this unit is just like all the other wigs that you've seen on my channel. So it comes with the lace frontal from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Now this wig, I will definitely say came with the combs. However, I will be telling MyQualityHair to take out the combs because I'm not a fan of the combs. I did want to see how they would work on this unit based on how I put it on my head, and it wasn't really working for me. So as you saw in my install, I did take my combs out. You can use scissors or a seam ripper to get those out. This unit also comes with the adjustable elastic band that you can add to your unit to make your unit glueless, or to get a more secure fit if you decide to spray her down like I did. Now this unit does come with a starting point as far as the hairline is concerned, so if you don't want to go in and pluck anything, you don't have to. Now with that being said, my standards are my standards, so I will be talking to MyQualityHair to kind of pluck through the unit a little bit more, just for the look that I want for my wig, because you know, whether my name is on it or not, I'm gonna tell you like it is. I'm gonna get it as close as I can for y'all. Okay, you hear me? I want a more pre-plucked hairline, and I don't want the combs. Okay, we here? Yeah, we here. Now outside of all those specs, the main addition to this wig is the auto cap. I call it the auto cap because it is an automatic wig cap that's already in your unit, so you can alleviate the use of a wig cap under your wig. Now even though I don't mind wearing my wig caps do not come for big hair girls. They don't come in an XL or a double XL, okay? And if you ain't never had a line of demarcation when you removed your wig cap, then you got a small head, okay? This ain't for you. This ain't for you. If you are someone who likes to wear wigs days in a row and you don't want to do a bald cap method, wearing a wig cap under your wig for that long can actually rub your natural hair out because it's putting so much pressure in one place. I know for certain y'all have seen the wig installs where the person's wig cap starts back here and so does their hairline. I have rubbed out my edges and my hairline plenty of times from that wig cap. Listen, I don't tell you this for fun. I'm telling you to learn. So anything that I can do to alleviate wearing that wig cap, I'm all for it. Now I'm not saying that I'm taking the wig cap completely out of my arsenal, because you know what, I'm not all my wigs have this little situation here in the back. But for the wig that does, aka mine, I can go ahead and toss that joint to the side. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to MyQualityHair for collabing with me on another unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.